Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do something very simple, but it's very important. I'll give you opportunity to subscribe and subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you really like it. It's all about people that have underarm body odor. Some people came to my DM and was kind of telling me that they have used so many spray. They have done all sort of things because of this underarm body odor. It's very common, especially this this heat period. Are you getting me? But don't worry, I got you covered. That is why we are here today to tell you simple thing that you can't even believe that can cure that within 2 days. 2 days will be enough for that underarm body odor to leave you. What is this one ingredient we're talking about? We're talking about lemon. Lemon. You see lemon. Many of us don't know that lime, lemon, they are so acidic. You can believe it. Lemon. You can imagine those people that want to bleach all this organic soap. They add lemon to it. It's either the juice or the bark. You can use it for your face scratch. It clears face, especially that lemon bark. You can imagine the citrus, that's the water. So if you really want to get rid of your underarm body odor, when you get your lemon, cut it into two. After taking your bath, rub it here, rub it here. You can decide to bring out the bark. You can grate it. Bring your essential oil such as coconut oil, carrot oil, avocado oil, and so on. You can bring your almond oil. You can bring your turmeric oil. There's so many essential oil, organically ones you can prepare in your house. When you smash or you grate the back of the lemon, make sure the water is not there. Back of the lemon. I think I'll be doing practical very soon. I just want to say this because they said that they needed this video urgently. That's why I'm doing it. So all I have to do is to get my lemon, the grater, and others to show you what I mean by that. So when you bring all those things, if you cannot apply the water in your underarm, you can bring your essential oils like I mentioned earlier. Grain your this thing lemon bark, smash it with the oil, soak it with the oil, allow it to ferment for like 2 hours. After 2 hours, bring out the water, bring out it, put it in your shifter. Make sure you sieve it. Bring out the oil. You can be applying it 2 days. I only give you 2 days. You will not notice anything called underarm body odor. There's a lot of things that causes this odor. Sometimes it will be from the spray, the cream, the soap, or sometimes your attire. Some of us when in the house we wear big clothes. There's no way ventilation can enter and penetrate your body. I know it's good to cover up, but at an extent, it's not much that you must cover up like frequently. There's a time when your body need a good ventilation, a fresh air. So sometimes the soap you use is not good. Sometimes the cream, sometimes the spray, sometimes your kitten, there's so many things that causes it. Sometimes body odor comes from bed. So, but with this thing I just mentioned, this one thing, lemon, is either you cut it into two, use the water to scrub here, very well, like 2 days, body odor will desist from you. Or you can use your essential oil, as I stated. Stay tuned. We'll be doing the practical very soon. Avoid body odor. Stop wasting your money. 100 naira, $2, $1 can cure your body odor at home, provided you follow my advice. Organically and naturally, you are odor free. I love you. Stay tuned to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. I am not forcing you, but I'm just begging you. And may the God be with you and your family. Merry Christmas.